Guys, whoever uzama ukungifonela bandla ngicela ayeke sekulate. Ngicela niye ukungifonela. Niyangidisturba. Okay. I'll be very short. Sanmonan, I know what's here, Aniko, right? I'm not going to entertain. I'm not going to entertain my comments. I just want to say this once and for all. I'm going to share this video, this live for 24 hours. And then again, you guys can comment under Iona. It's fine. I need to take all the bullets and the shots, whatever. I admit I was wrong. I admit I was in bad deal. Each and every relationship, you have nama mistakes. And you have nama challenges. Whatever that I said about Uvuyo was not true. And ngangekho right that time, and I ended up in Kuluma with Umawengana. So, yeah, I'm really sorry to Uvuyo, the family yake, umhlambalaza. Same as everyone la, uyaba nama mistakes akhe. Uyaba nama challenges wakhe. And akaziwa umhlaba wonke. And the person who exposed me is the person naye. She was hoping that mina naye one day we're gonna be fine because sinomntwana naye. We also had our own challenges. And now she was hoping that sizoba right and sibe right empilweni. Now akwenzekanga ngaleyo ndlela. So she tried by all means again. Nami I was stupid. Ngakhuluma naye wenza ngale ndlela enze ngayo. So what I wanted to say basically ukuthi I'm sorry. I'm really sorry kuyena nabalandeli bakhe ne-family yakhe. And also I'm sorry to ifamily yami ngokwenza yonke lento. And yeah, bekuyilokho nje. So ngimblame uma wengane, ngiyiblame mina ngokwenza yonke lento le. Imina engiyifake kule rubbish yonke engiyifake kuyona. Yeah. So ningasho noma yini enifuna ukuyisho sengi-acceptile. I had to accept whatever eqhamukayo and deal with it ngendlela yami engizodila ngayo.